Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to post content on Patreon. First, you need to go to the website of the Patreon. It will open your account details. In here, you can see the option of create. Go to the option of create. Here, you can add a title for whatever you need to. You can write a little bit of description about the video or whatever content you are giving, and from here you can add any video, audio, image, or any of the link. You can also upload any attachments you need to. On here, right, you can add the tags whichever you want to add. Here are also various engagement options with your audiences like poll and live stream. Click on browse, and from here you can add any of the content you want to add from your device. So that's how you can post your content on the Patreon. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.